So I had the opportunity to go into the Ganesh temple today, and it was very packed. They don't allow cameras and videos inside. However, I was able to snap a few pictures. But people, as you can see from over there, are taking pictures from the outside. That is allowed, but they are not allowed to go inside the temple with but people are very friendly in the town, and this is just, I'm having a great time, and rode my bike about 10-13 kilometers from the hotel, and now we're gonna just explore the town and have lunch and ice cream and then head back.